Hey guys, it's Craig at Area 419. Today I'm here to introduce to you our most exciting new product to date, the Instamachinist app. Since CNC machining has taken over the American machine floor, programmers have been running around acting like they're doing something. We've known all along that's not true, and finally in 2021, technology has advanced to the point that we can simply take a photo, upload it to a machine, and make parts. It's the Instamachinist app. These will be available for download on Apple and Android devices very soon. To get a notification when it's ready, go to instamachinist.app right now, enter your email address, and as soon as it's ready to download, you'll know it. We've got one downloaded. Let's show you how it works. To use the app, you'll simply download it to your phone, enter your email address, decide if you're going to create, edit, or upload a part. Today we're going to upload, and I'm going to choose a Hellfire muzzle brake to make today. I've chosen my part. I'll direct it to the machine that I'd like to have make the part, and we're uploading. That's all it takes. The app's compatible with DMG mooring machines, Grobe, Haas. You can link it up to one of your Bridgeports as well and be making parts around your shop really quickly. Let's go talk to John, our owner, and Justin, our director of operations, about the difference it's made in Area 419's business.
Over the last few years, you've seen us spend a lot of money on machine tools, building a new shop, but what you haven't seen is all the money we've spent developing a new application that I think you guys are really going to love. Us programmers like to act like we know what we're doing, most important guys in the shop, but really we're not doing anything. So we've developed a new application that takes programmers basically out of the equation. So I'd like to introduce you to the Instamachinist app. All I had to do, upload a drawing of the zero to the Grobe through the Instamachinist app, and bam! When we move master funnel kits over to the CMX, 30 seconds. Bam! Making Hellfire brakes on the new NTX. I think this took Marcus 30 seconds. Now he's got more time for solitaire. Bam!
Since we started using the Instamachinist app, things have gotten much easier. There's no more programming and engineers going back and forth trying to get a product just right. We simply take a picture, give it to an operator, he loads it on the machine, presses the green button, and bam, we've got a finished product. Since using this, we've been able to eliminate our engineering department and our programmers on the floor. So payroll's gone down and boom, profits are up.
Well guys, like I said, we're really excited about the Instamachinist app. So go to instamachinist.app, enter your email address today, and you'll get an update about when this thing's ready to download on your Apple or Android device. Download the app and let's make some parts together. Until next time.